Do you know only in India around 47% of population suffers from low B12 level in body, and rest out of 53% only 26% of the population may have sufficient amount of B12. In United States and UK, 6% of the adults younger than 60 years have B12 deficiency, but rest is close to 20% those who are older than 60 years. So what are those reasons that our body constantly losing B12 vitamin? Vitamin B12 is one of the most important vitamin for our body because of body organs functions in our day-to-day life. Actually, everyone wants to live healthy lifestyle. No one want any vitamin deficiency in body, but many of us don't even know that we are getting vitamin B12 deficiency in our body. It is therefore very important to know the symptoms that make us understand that we are suffering from this important vitamin deficiency. Namaste to all yogis. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashantj Yoga. I'm Prashant, yoga expert and currently pursuing my PhD. My mission is to provide you the necessary tool through yoga and healthy lifestyle so that you can provide the perfect environment for your body and your mind to stay healthy and happy. In today's video, I will be sharing very important information about vitamin B12. I will be sharing about the vegetarian food that you must take everyday routine if you are having such deficiency in your body. I will be also sharing with you some yogic practices such as asana and pranayama, which can really help you to store this vitamin in your body so that you will not face problems related to this vitamin deficiency. Mostly vitamin B12 deficiency is found in vegetarian population. So in today's class, I will share with you what are those things that you must eat in everyday routine to make up this B12 deficiency without any medication and extra supplements. Let's start. So vitamin B12 is very important vitamin for our body. It is so important that this particular vitamin is required almost all function of our body. For example, DNA creation, you need vitamin B12 for body. Energy production, you need vitamin B12. And the most important is our central nervous system. It means our brain and nerves function. Vitamin B12 is very important. There are some symptoms that can be noticed when we have this vitamin B12 deficiency. The first symptom that you must understand is fatigue. If you have B12 deficiency, you will feel tired all the time and your breath will start to swell only after you walk a little bit. Any work doesn't seem to be interesting for you. Second common symptom that can be seen with this deficiency is regular mouth ulcer. Vitamin B12 also works to make blood in our body. In blood cells production, it is very important vitamin. So if you are having this B12 deficiency, it can also cause you body's blood loss, due to which the body tends to fall pale, yellowish. Body loses its glow, face becomes white, dull. You can even notice the dark circle under the eyes. It is also because of B12 deficiency. Sometimes due to B12 deficiency, you will get stomach related problems such as constipation, regular diarrhea, gas, bloating, and so on. Another very important symptoms from B12 deficiency is peripheral neuropathy. And this symptoms is commonly avoided by many people because they don't know that what is this about. Understand, peripheral neuropathy means sometimes with the sole of the foot or the palm, the mount of the palm, this area, and the foot area. Sometimes some people, they feel numbness, tingling sensation. Sometimes they feel the ants are moving. Sometimes currents like sparking. If some of you feels the same, it means definitely you are lacking of this particular vitamin. You must check up and try to find some way to fulfill the requirement of this vitamin in your body. Sometimes regular headache, heaviness in the head, depression, anxiety is also the common symptom of B12 deficiency in the body. Now let's understand the vegetarian food in which you can find the maximum amount of B12 vitamin. Commonly, vitamin B12 is mostly found in non-vegetarian foods. That's why mostly vegetarian people are having this B12 deficiency. Those who are regularly eating non-veg, they are fulfilling the requirement of this vitamin. But those who are vegetarian, in their case, they mostly suffering from this B12 deficiency. So especially for them, I will be sharing with you now the vegetarian food which you must add in your regular eating so that you can fulfill the requirement of this deficiency. Let's see here 5 best vegetarian food which can fulfill the requirement of B12 in your body. The best source of vitamin B12 is milk. If you are a vegetarian and not consuming milk, it can be the biggest cause of B12 deficiency in your body. Milk contains a good amount of B12. Only 1 glass of whole milk gives you 50 to 70% of daily body requirements, and rest vitamin B12 requirement you can get from the milk products such as curd, paneer, cheese, butter, etc. So drink every day 1 full glass of milk, you are fine. These days many people are vegetarian. So they are vegetarian but they eat eggs, but they don't eat meat or fish, seafood, something like that. But they eat eggs. So if you are in such category, so then you can eat eggs too to fulfill the requirement of B12. In 1 egg, you can get 6 microgram vitamin B12. And this is 25% of your daily requirement. So if you take daily 3 to 4 eggs each day, you can fulfill your daily requirement of B12. But when you eat egg, one thing is very important that you should keep in mind, that sometimes some people, they remove the yolk of the egg out from this. They eat only external, the white part of the egg. But understand, only this yellow part contains lots of vitamin in it. So if you remove it, it means you will remove this vitamin out from this food. So better for you to eat complete egg. Another best source of vitamin B12 is spinach. So if you eat spinach regularly, you can fulfill the daily requirement also. When you eat spinach, few things is very important that you must keep in the mind is, do not cut the spinach before you wash. Because sometimes what happens, people, when they eat spinach, they cut the spinach first and then they wash. So what happens, when you cut the spinach, half of the vitamin B12 you lose when you wash it. In the middle part of the spinach, you have big amount of vitamin B12. So for you, it is important. Either eat full leaf of spinach, or if you want to cut, first you wash nicely and then you chop and then add into salad, or if you want to boil it, you can do that. But when you boil it, make sure that you're using that water also. Maybe you can use in a soup, you can use in normal drinking. This is how you can fulfill the requirement of B12 in the body, by using spinach. Because vitamin B12 is soluble vitamin. It goes out quickly with water. Another big source of vitamin B12 is sprouts. Taking sprouts also can fulfill the daily requirement of B12. So 2 days old sprouts can have a good amount of vitamin B12. So regularly if you add this sprout in your food, you can fulfill this requirement also. Beetroot, chickpeas, carrot are also B12 rich food. So you can add these roots vegetable also in your food. Now I will be teaching you some asanas and pranayam that you must add everyday routine so that you can save yourself from this deficiency. When I'm talking about asanas and pranayam, I'm not telling you that your body will start producing the vitamin B12. Understand, body doesn't produce vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 you need to take from external sources only. That's the reason I shared with you such vegetables through which you can get these vitamin. When I'm saying to practice yoga, asana and pranayam, it means these practices will help you to store this vitamin more in the body. So the asana that you must do every day is sun salutation. I have made already one video, detailed video. You can go in description, check the link and learn the step by step. But here I will show you one round. You can do with me just to understand how it performs. But if you want deep understanding about each asana, go to the video and then do it. Stand straight on your mat. Take one deep inhale and exhale, palms together. Inhale, raise your arms, arch your back. Exhale, bend forward.
Inhale, head up. Exhale, right leg back and knee down. And lift the chest up. Look up. Exhale, go for Santolanasana, plank pose. Look either forward or between the palm. And exhale, drop the knee down, chest and chin. Inhale, straight your leg, Bhujangasana. Look up. Exhale, push your body up to the Parvatasana, legs together. Inhale, right leg forward in between the palm. In video, you can see the reflection, but it's a right leg. Exhale, both legs together front, head down. Inhale, all the way come up, straight arms, urge. Exhale, Pranam Mudra, and hands down, Tadasana. Let's try other side. Inhale and exhale, palms together. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, Padahastasana down. Inhale, head up. Other leg, left leg back. Look up, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, Santolanasana. Exhale, drop the knee down, chest and chin, Ashtanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward between the palm, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, Padhastasana, come front. Inhale, Urdhvahastasana, arch your back. Exhale, Pranayamasana to Samasthana. Now next pose, hands on the hips, jump and open the leg. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch, exhale, bend forward. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. Once you complete, inhale, head up, exhale, hands on the hips, inhale, come up slowly. Exhale, jump and close the leg. Next asana, hands on the hips, inhale, jump and open. Open the hands to the side, turn the left foot out, exhale, Trikonasana, grab the left ankle, stay 3 deep breaths. Once you complete, inhale, come up, turn other side, exhale, go down. Same way, 3 deep breaths you will stay. Inhale, come up, turn the foot together, jump, close. Samasthana.
These are the asana sequence you will include everyday routine in the morning. Now after finishing asana, now you have to do pranayama practice. First practice you will do Kapalbhati. To perform Kapalbhati, you will sit in any sitting position. It can be Padmasana, it can be Siddhasana, Sukhasana, just it should be cross-legged. Sit straight, both hands will be on your knees or any mudra, either Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra or Adi Mudra. Simply touch the thumb, root of your small finger, place it like that. And then exhalation forceful. You will sit straight and every time you exhale forcefully like that. See, I'm pressing my belly to exhale forcefully. So inhale is natural. I'm not doing inhale. I'm just focusing on exhalation. So here the focus will be the center area, digestive area. You will do this pranayama 10 round, 3 sets. So 10 one time, you will take 30-second gap. Then 10 other time, 30-second gap. Then 10. So this is 3 times. After finishing Kapalbhati, the second pranayama you will do Bhastrika pranayama. In Bhastrika pranayama, you will keep the hands here. This is forceful inhale, forceful exhale. Where you inhale, hands will go up like that, forcefully. So, with nostril, exhale, hands will come down. Again inhale, exhale, like that. But do not do fast like this. No, you go with slow pace. So inhale first, when 1 second gap, then exhale. 3 rounds, see here. Hands on your knees and start here. Now see, with closing eyes, here. this is how you will do. In Kapalbhati, the focus was this area, central body, the navel area. But in Bhastrika, the focus will be here, chest area. And after finishing this Bhastrika, now the last you will do Anulom Vilom. In Anulom Vilom, you close the right nostril with right hand thumb here, this, and then inhale through the left nostril. Deeper and deeper. Exhale, close the other nostril, and then exhale through the first one from where you took inhale. Then again inhale from there. Exhale, other nostril. This is one cycle. You will do this 10 times. About the pranayama, I already made detailed video of Kapalbhati, Bhastrika and Nari Shodhan and Anulom Vilom. You please go to description, I have put the link there. Go and check how to perform these practices in detail and then try every day. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like button, and if you have any question, you can write me in comment. You can share this video and help others. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that these kind of informative videos related to health, yoga practices you can get every week, which can really help you to live disease-free life. With such kind of new videos, I will see you again. Till that, namaste, take care.